You are listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the meeting convened by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi tomorrow on June 24th is a ploy meant to hoodwink the international community into believing that there is normalcy in the territory. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, maintained that without the involvement of true representatives of Kashmiri people, any all-party meet was bound to hit a dead end. He pointed out that India had a history of betrayals and broken promises with the people of the occupied territory and even its own collaborators. He said that same collaborators who were arrested and humiliated on and after August 5, 2019 by the Indian government have been invited to tomorrow's meeting. The spokesman pointed out that Narendra Modi was hell-bent upon destroying the unique character of Jammu and Kashmir by snatching the identity of Kashmiris. The APC spokesman emphasized that India intended to repeat the same history of betrayals and deceiving the people. He added that the only way left for India was to lift military siege of the occupied territory and create an enabling atmosphere for the implementation of the United Nations resolutions on Kashmir. Meanwhile, posters appeared in Srinagar, Baramulla and other parts of the territory urging people to beware of the conspiracies being hatched by the Modi government against freedom movement through its paid agents. The posters were put up by the youth wing of Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Political Movement and Kashmir Freedom Lovers. And this is for now. Keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.